All right. We are back. It is again, it's 2 December. How about that? We made it. 2 December 2023. Welcome to welcome to the Bitcoin FOMO stream. And why do I say that? Why do I say that? But first, well, look at the price. 39.6 up 1,000. I mean, it was up 1,000 from last night. It was a 38. I mean, it was 37.9. So it's up way over 1,000. I don't know if they're doing plus 853. I don't know what the time range is on that puppy to do the delta, the plus 2%. But it's up. I don't know what's going on. You can see on the chart here. This is Yahoo, and I get to it from the Apple. I'm using two of the most biased applications. I don't know why. It balances you out. You look at the biasness of the news and the financial of these apps, and then you kind of look at the other side of things, and you kind of in there somewhere maybe is the reality. This is just the graph. Kind of like the graph, but I'm going to show you something 100% better. Yeah. So we're at 39,627, 27 cents. On this chart, you can see the buys, the trades, the volume, the green, good volume. And let's see, we're right here, November. Right, this is about the, if you look at this. See how it correlates 1022? This is probably right about that time of the BlackRock ETF talk. And look at that, all the green volume, good. And then we got some red volume, people dumping because they were happy with the spike. It's all motion, right? Hey, it went up. They know how to take profits. And that's a tough discipline to learn in any trading because greed kicks in, FOMO kicks in. You don't want to sell when you're up, but God, you got to take some profits off the table if you're doing all right. I mean, but again, not financial advice. You can let it ride. It's your money, not mine. And again, I'm not good at it either, so I'm still working on it. The one time I did take profits off the table was with Tesla stock. And I let the house money, the money I was up, I made in unrealized unrealized profits. I pulled out my core investment and let the profits ride. And that took a lot of stress off. I said, let this ride. It's, whatever. And it's kind of fun that way because then you actually realize profits. You got that in fiat or whatever else you wanted to put it in. And you're going, all right, that was good. Yeah, you got to pay tax eventually. Maybe. Wait, if you took your core position out, you might be all right. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to talk taxes, man. My brain explodes when it's tax time. All right, let's go on. As we trickle through Turkey Day, we got through Turkey Day. Look at that. Some people were not being happy on their Thanksgiving, and they were, well, maybe they were selling because it was up. It's all perspective, man. So there. And then today, let's see if I can zoom in on this. Oh, I can zoom in. Holy crap, how did I do that? Now, how do I pan to the right? Look at that, big daddies. There we go. That's what I was looking for. All right, and today, even before I stepped out, I dollar cost averaged in small amount. And then it went up and I was actually, oh my God, I got one right? But again, if I don't sell and it goes to zero, I'm an idiot. So we are sitting at 39.5 and look at that volume right there. Pretty cool. So this, I don't know if this thing updates. I let it run, but they do have a refresh button here. Oh, if we do full screen, let's try that. I think full screen up. Yeah, look at that, big daddies. All right, there's a tip for you for just tracking this crap. If you really want to stare at it while you're at work, you can watch it over here and this will update accordingly. And you can see that spike, man. That's pretty neat. I don't know what is going on. There is no news. Let's go back one. Can I go back one? Oh, I'm going to screw up. Let's go back. I can't hit back here. There we go. Let's go see if there's any news or something. Oh, man, you got to be careful when you're scrolling. Make sure you're outside the graph. Here it is. That's why I named it this stream, the Bitcoin FOMO stream. FOMO creeps into markets as stocks post best month in a year. Investors are afraid of missing out on an interest rate driven rally piled into previously unloved sectors of the market in November. Okay. Typically, guys, over time, people have short-term memories. Every October, things seem to correct, and that's maybe because the government budget crisis they don't have their budget approved for the next year. Things are happening. People are back at work, back at school. I don't know. It just seems October is the psychological correction time and maybe the most opportune time to buy into anything, stocks, equities, and even crypto. I don't know. It just seems that October is the downtime or the correction time, small corrections, whatever, or the stagnant time. All right. Let's see. All this crap. Yeah, this is old news. We don't care about that. We don't care about. There's that guy, Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy. This guy loves his Bitcoin, baby. He makes its biggest Bitcoin purchase in years as Wall Street grows. As Wall Street goes more bullish, grows more bullish. Look at this guy. He must know something. I wonder if he's a time traveler and now he's back and he's gonna, just like from Terminator days, he's gonna buy all the Bitcoin and know that he can buy Skynet and stop it and stop Elon Musk from creating the Terminators. I don't know. He's got that Tesla truck out, and man, if he puts AI in that and puts some rail guns on it, we're done. It becomes sentient. Because those things are bulletproof. You notice that? It can take, I forgot what size slug. The sides on the truck are bulletproof. It's pretty wild. I think if you're worried about people shooting at you all the time, you might want to, I don't know, maybe get a limp. I don't know. You might have other problems. Oh, look at these dumb articles. 2 days ago, Bitcoin slips back. Whatever. A key level has been made, been a major hurdle. Whatever. All right. Old news. We are up right now. FOMO, baby. No, don't FOMO. Don't fear missing out. It's fun to watch. I'm trying to look for news that's doing it. All I'm going by is the volume here. And that turned green and that little bastard jumped right up. And I went, yeehaw, that's cool. I liked it. Everyone likes to see that, right? But that's cool. All right, what else can we talk about? I want to show you. I'm going to close this out. I am streaming. Yes, we are streaming. Good. I've been playing with the Blue Yeti mic. A little Blue Yeti mic for this thing I've had. I think I got it free. Oh my God, a year and a half ago when I bought all these damn GPUs from one of those stupid stores. Holy crap. Oh my God, those online stores I was buying GPUs. Was it Walmart or what's that other crappy one? Newegg. Newegg never has anything in stock. I think I got enough. Oh my God, I can't remember. I got enough reward points that I just went and bought. I got a Yeti mic. I said, all right, it was $80 value for free. I don't know what the hell store that was now. Newegg. Yeah. I think it was Newegg. I don't know. Doesn't matter. All right, let's see. So now I've been playing with the settings. I know OBS. I got the new OBS software downloaded. Everything's out there. The one, YouTube has a lot of negative about it. The owners, the CEO, they're all, whatever. But they have a lot of good too with the instructional stuff. The educational portion of YouTube is gold for anything from DIY handyman, auto stuff, whatever, to even doing tech stuff. And I went in, I go, why is my OBS bad? It's not working with my Mac. And I found I updated my Mac software. Apple will update you without really telling you. But I went and updated that and nothing really worked. Nothing worked well in OBS. It froze up, it stuttered, it crashed, and then I just wiped it. And then I found you can wipe all the previous settings, custom settings you made. Boom, fresh slate, started over. Got everything matching with the OS, got the right OBS version. Now I got the mic settings I'm playing with, and hopefully that's all right. I've been testing them on a recording, so I don't know about live stream. We'll see if that comes out. If not, I delete the video and try again. It's all for fun to kill an hour on a Saturday. Is it Saturday? I lost track of time. Saturday, and it's like 80 degrees here. I don't know. I kind of miss the seasons a little bit, but nah, I guess not. I like going outside in shorts and a t-shirt. And I don't remember last time I wore slacks or socks. 72 or below, I get cold. All right, guys. What was I going to surprise you with? Let's go back to it. So we got the Blue Yeti. If it's not working, I can't even see if there's anyone in here, but who knows if I can get this to pop up. All right, there we go. Yeah, well, I like doing this now. Another guy I watch just does live streams, and boom, it's right on the YouTube servers. You don't have to upload. You don't have to do anything. You can add descriptions and crap, but it just makes life so much easier just to do rambling of an idiot about stuff he knows a little bit about. So that's what this is about. It just makes it easier. And if it's easy, then you're going to do it more often. If it becomes cumbersome, where you got to edit videos, upload them from a phone to a Mac or vice versa, do all the optimization, conversions, whatever, it becomes a pain in the butt and time consuming. I don't like wasting too much time, especially when you're not making any money doing this. It's just for fun. Yeah. All right. 39.4 dropped a little bit. What was I going to show you? I'm going to show you the one good tool historically that I guess most people may not know about, but it's better than this thing. This thing's not bad, especially in full screen mode on Yahoo Finance. I think that's the only thing left of Yahoo. I don't know who bought them or whatever. I know they kind of didn't do well or something after a while with their search engine, but they do have a good finance page. I think they beat out Google for finance page. I don't know. Everyone has their strengths. So let's close this little guy. I'm going to open this and you're going to go, ooh, what is this voodoo you are showing me? And it's almost like TradeView. You can download TradeView as well. This is it's probably built on TradeView. I better, look ahead. I don't see anything mentioning TradeView, run by TradeView. I'm looking on the screen. What is this? I want to close this Yahoo thing all right, closed. I am not logged in. I'm going to accept all the cookies. Why not? I like me some cookies. Blonde, brunette, whatever. You get it. All right. Let's see. What this is Coinbase Pro. You can get an account too, like Coinbase. Get in here. It's probably the same account. I can't remember if it's tied. But when this started in 2016, 2017, they called it GDAX, GDAX. And it was just a more professional way to buy Bitcoin without paying the fees when you were buying it through Coinbase Exchange directly. You could hop over to GDAX, bring money, import money, fiat, you load it onto Coinbase, boom, bring your fiat over, prime this bastard, and what you can do right here is in the red, whoops, I'm not going to log in. You can set it's almost just stock trading. You got your market price you can buy. I'm not logged in, so you're not going to see all the thing working. And you got the limit and a stop price, and you can do a sell when it reaches a certain price. And it's really kind of fun. It's dangerous too, because you're gambling. You're pretty much freaking gambling with your money because it's rolling. You get excited. It's like you're in Vegas. Woo! But you can see the price here, and you can see, I'll keep that off there so you can see it. You can see the spread. There's the price. You can see the size of the orders. It's massively fast because it's Bitcoin. It's going to be moving really quick. And in the middle here, you can kind of see where it's at. It's kind of the tug of war, if you will, between red and green. And over here on the red side, look at that, 39. You can see the resistance levels, and it's all interactive. Look at that, buy and the cost. And you got the green. These are the buy. Wait a minute. I got it backwards. Sell, 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 sell. Red are the buys. These are the buy orders. So you can see the buy orders at, let's see, 39,456. And let's see, 39. Here's the sell orders. I bet I got it backwards. I'm sorry if I do. 39,458. But these are the orders waiting to get triggered based on the price. Buy, 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 and those are sell, sell, sells. Okay, these are the sell orders. And you can see, I mean, if I'm not, I think I'm reading this right. This is a huge wall of buys at 39. They're thinking 40,000 maybe a psychological barrier. So it looks like, I don't know if that is a huge buy. Let me see if I can click on it. Woo, what did I do? Oh, you can see the trade history on the right. I hate when I go over that with the mouse. And you can see the buy, oh wait. You got these going through. You got these orders going through here. Let's see, buy, buy, buy. And you can see the trade size. It's funny, they got market size over here and they got the spread. I don't know why. Oh, that's the spread. Okay. And then, yeah, that is the market size on the left. Same as trades. To me, it's the same as a trade size, the size of the order, how much Bitcoin is in your buy or sell order. That's what that is, the first column, the trade size. You can go pick another coin and see, maybe it'll slow down. and you can read and learn about this. But it's kind of cool, but you can get in here, get your account, and I'm going to put my buy limit, but not till it gets to 30, maybe if it drops down to 38,000, that's when I'm going to buy. And you can actually, I think you can scroll, I can't scroll down because I'm not logged in, but you can say, hey, I want to buy 1 Bitcoin when it hits 38,000, and you can put your order in and let it ride. That way you're not always buying the market price. And you can buy market on here too if you want. With, I think it's no fee. I think you just get it and you're paying the spot price. And that's the beauty of it. It was called GDAX. Now it's Coinbase Pro. I have not used it since it was has been called Coinbase Pro, but it's out there. Most people probably don't know about it. And it's like TradingView as well. Same concept. You're in there, you're looking at the buy, the sells, the wall coming at 40K. I just have a problem. I always thought red was the dump it, so now, but it says buy. And let's see, green, sell, 38, 38. It goes all the way back to 38.7. And here's another little jump at 42.89. Interesting. But you can see it's a good thing to watch if you want to get in depth with it. So that's a little tip for you. And it's pro.coinbase.com, or just look up Coinbase space Pro in your favorite browser and it'll take you right to it. All right, enough of that crap. But I'm really stumped. I have not done this in like 3 years. So I'm trying to remember. Sell. That's what I'm going to dump. And you can say, yeah, like I said, if you set your price at 30, what is that? Let's say 39,000. You can say, I want to sell 0.1 Bitcoin. And you just put your order in. You can watch it and say, oh my God, it's getting close to 39. It's going down. But it's not. It's actually going up again. 39.5 is the current market price. You can sit here and watch it. It'll drive you nuts. I mean, it's like day trading. But if you're looking for that hardcore price, you get a sentiment. This wall is creeping closer. A little bit. 39.5. Yeah, we're creeping closer to this wall. I want to see what happens when it hits freaking 40,000. That might be a trigger. I don't know. I mean, it'd be interesting just to observe it to see if that's the psychological point of this. That, oh my God, it's a 40. And then the FOMO becomes FOMO Red Bull. Or what's that other crap? Monster. FOMO Monster drink, where you just start pounding monster drinks and Red Bulls. Oh my God, it's going to the moon. Then it trashes back down to 10,000. And you're like, huh? It's all for fun. Again, I say most of my money is elsewhere. Small percentage, under 9%, is playing around with Bitcoin and crypto, and it's all for entertainment. I know you can lose it all, and it's all for like I said, don't put in more than you're willing to lose, and don't cry about it if you do lose it. And be careful of scams, baby. Never send crypto to anybody unless you know exactly where it's going, like an exchange, or you're paying someone. Make sure you know. Do not. I got scammed once. I was stupid in a hurry and I sent some. I was dumb. Don't ever send your crypto anywhere unless you're quiet, thought about it for a while. Then walk away for 20 minutes, come back. Do I really want to send this? Double check. It's your money. Once it's gone and you hit that send button, it's gone, man. There's no way getting that back. It's not like a bank where you can put a stop this transaction order, a stop order on a check or whatever. You can't do that here. All right, we're back down. Go check it out. Coinbase Pro. Again, I've used it. God, I swear to God, it was 2016, 2017. Started to play with this, buying Litecoin and Bitcoin. All right, what else you guys want to do? Let's see here. I'm going to kill this. Let's bring this one up. Let's go back to what everybody really cares about. My pennies I'm making on CPU mining. All right, let's close that out. Where are we at today, December 2nd? Now we have almost a full day in, having run the Ryzen Master, played with the BIOS, but I did not get the settings with the overclock on the motherboard that I wanted to. I wasn't comfortable with it. I didn't know enough. I did see a couple of them, but they weren't gelling with what I was used to. So I decided to say, hey, man, Ryzen Master makes an application for their CPUs. Go use it and try to tweak this thing and learn how it works. Much like with using the Afterburner for doing GPU overclocking. That one was not as forgiving. You could freaking set the power level on a GPU and it's not going to warn you. Whereas Ryzen Master kind of has that apply but test it first, and if it sucks, it's going to reboot and say no, we're not letting you do that. And the GPU one just did not. It didn't care. It never warned me, and I go, oh crap. So I was very cautious with any overclock software. So we got it now. We got Ryzen Master. We lowered the voltage. I had no idea what they were, and I just kept playing. I didn't find a document to say set them this way. It was just trial and error. Is the thing stable? And then blammo, voltage were down. With the lower voltage, saves me a lot of labor now. I don't have to pop all the CPUs off and add the thermal paste, maybe blow out some dust bunnies, whatever. I should get some computer compressed air just to blow those little bastards out and go from there. So yeah, Ryzen Master for the win. Lower voltage 1.1 seems to do fine. I did 1.2, made no difference, just ran hotter, about 70 Celsius. Now we're hovering around 60 Celsius. And the only one I did not touch is number 12 here, and that is the 3950. I didn't expand this, sorry. Let's go look. Oh yeah, we're running at 12 kilohash. We're making 11, what is that, 57 estimated. Oh, it's saying actually current actual profitability. So it's not even an estimate. Here's your current. All right, I'll take it. I will take it. All right, we're running at 1105 on 9. And if you are seeing some that aren't consistent, like they're not off big because they do fluctuate, always just go in and do a re-benchmark, like stop it, do a new benchmark, and then see if your hash rate jumps up. Again, to me, I don't understand. There's nothing written in a nice hash Bible that tells you exactly what to do. You just got to try crap, right? And people know what works and they don't know what work. They know what's good and what's not good. Don't do this, but try this. And yeah, and the voltage things was very good. You can do the BIOS or you can do Ryzen Master. Ryzen Master was nice because you can actually see it, and I need to add a GPU video card to the CPU rigs just to see the BIOS, and that's a pain. I want to do the least possible work possible. If I have to get up, risk messing up the motherboard, putting a heavy GPU on it just to see a BIOS, or I don't know. Sometimes just keep it, find the simplest approach, find a couple options, sit back, think about it, and go, what is the best approach way forward, and then act. I learned too, haste makes waste. You just jump in and try to beat the thing with a hammer. It's just, you're gonna spend hours trying to unfuck the things you've done. We call it the unfuck button. Everything should have an unfuck button, even life, but it doesn't work that way. All right, so here we are. We are at, oh my God, we're at a whopping 114.40. But again, that is all reflective upon the Bitcoin spot price, and we're at 39.5. So all that matters is the number of Satoshis right now, the 0.002. I love this. I love to make that one. I don't see that happening anytime soon. But yeah, we're doing good. It's kind of fun. It's fun money, right? Pay for a dinner maybe. But I'm just holding my Bitcoin, so I like that it's Bitcoin. I don't give a crap about the value. I just want to get the Bitcoin. All right, we'll see what else we got going on. We got that. We play with the mic. We're doing an update on the pricing after the voltage tweak. Temps are good. I'm not messing. I see that going to 76. I'm fine with it. As long as it stays below 80, I'm not messing with my 39.50. Sometimes leave it alone if it's not a problem. Let's see what else. Oh, we went through the news. So yeah. All right, guys. There you go. It's the Bitcoin FOMO stream. And I don't know. I think I just closed it out. Shoot. I don't know if watch for 40K and just see if that thing we looked at on Coinbase Pro with that huge wall of orders coming in, what's going to happen? Is everyone going to dump it at 40, or is it a huge buy? And it looked like it had buy. I got to go look at it again. The red always means sell to me, but maybe it's wrong. Those might be the buy orders because it's going to the right. It's not going down, it's going up. But then people could be selling, but it should say sell. See, I'm confused. I went to public school. I'm still trying to figure it out. But again, it said these are buy orders, so I'm going to go with that. All right, what else we got going on? Oh, let's see. Nothing new here. Oh, I got something from Amazon. Oh, they shipped it. Okay. Yeah, watch what you buy, man. It's things are looking bleak out there. I'm only buying stuff for the house I need to fix up the house, or food or whatever. Just trying not to spend too much money. I saw a Cybertruck came out, and I'm going, why would I want that? It's cute and all, but $61,000. I don't need a car that bad. My little Toyota's fine, man. And we have another car, but that's enough. And I have a little golf cart I zip around on. I don't need to buy anything else. My truck is what, 7 years old, and the bigger SUV is 11. And those puppies will last. I was telling my kid, take care of crap, man. It'll last. And then you don't have to go buy into something else. Don't buy shiny objects. Don't buy crap you don't need. You don't need to go to Walmart and buy crap every day, or Apple. God, don't buy Apple stuff. Oh, yeah. I learned my lesson. I'm getting an Android phone next, or a Tesla phone. If Musk comes out with a Tesla smartphone, I'm in. I'm all in. But I can't pull the trigger. My phone is like at least 4 years old, I think. I don't even know what model it is. It's a smaller one, but it still works. Got a cracked lens, but I just can't bring myself to just drop that money, even through Verizon, just to buy another freaking phone. It works, and I think when you update it in the software, I really think it's true, even though Apple got busted for it, where they would send down the software updates, and based on your phone's age, they would program it so your battery would drain faster, so you get frustrated always charging it. And I think they're doing that to mine. Even though they got busted, they have so much money, they don't care what the government tells them to do. So my battery does drain, but especially when I'm running mapping stuff. And I just think it's in there. They want you to buy a new phone, because it's like the folks that make HVACs, lawnmowers. It's all built in one plant, and then the companies put their own freaking logo and brand on it. And there was an old saying, I don't know, this is urban legend, right? In a meeting at, say, one of the HVAC for air conditioning, and that the engineers were going, we can make this thing last 90 years. We just got to put this one part in and maybe do these welds a little differently. And then, of course, the CEO asks everyone to leave the room, leaves the one engineer in the room, closes the door and said, listen, if we do that, we're all out of work. You got to make them so they last maybe 3 to 4 years, like a GM or a Dodge Ram, and they'll fall apart, and then people will buy another one. If you make something perfect, you're going to put yourself out of business. And I don't know how Toyota survives, because they do make great cars. Their cars last, they're comfortable, they're quality, and you pay a little more, but it's worth it. Oh my God. People buy it, the GMCs, the big Suburbans, that they look great. They look, oh wow, badass, ooh, cool, darked out windows. But 3 to 4 years in, you're having problems, even with the trucks, and they're falling apart. The worst one they did a review is Dodge Rams, are the worst built vehicles. And they probably cost the most. You're talking $90K. But yeah, don't buy this junk. It's crazy. That's a lot more maintenance you got to take care of. But then if stuff starts breaking, you're just replacing it with parts that are going to break. It's just the whole design and quality of the manufacturing is just junk. Whereas Toyota, man, I just got to go in the basic stuff. Brakes, tires, oil, filters, windshield wipers. And keep it clean from rusting or whatever. That's about it. Any other vehicle? Oh my God, yeah, my one kid I know, he had a hand-me-down. It was a GMC SUV, Escalade, or what's the other one? Oh, there's one below it. And just total damn thing kept breaking down on him. I went, really? It's only that many years old. He went, yeah. He got rid of it, but he bought a GM truck. So, all right. Anyway, that's my experience with vehicles. Toyota, just get stuff that's gonna last, and you'll save money over the long haul, right? All right, enough of that crap. Let's go forth. That's all I got. I'm gonna end this because I don't know what else I'm about. I was just wanting to do the FOMO stream, and that was kind of fun. I wonder if I can bring this back up because I want to see where it's at right now. You guys can't see that screen. Let's bring it down. What I love about Bitcoin too, it's not set to these stupid Wall Street trading hours. You can freaking trade it whenever. And that always drove me nuts. It's like, why is that? Well, they go home, they have to put the trades in. I get it. But I think they control it more too, which is good and bad. Oh, I lost it. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin is at 39.5, hovering about the same. Up obviously for the day. ETH is on 2100. Yeah. Litecoin is 72. Come on, man. Come on, Litecoin. All right, let's see what else we got. Let's go to that. I'm going to go to, let's check the volume on Litecoin just for grins. I'm going to bring up the stupid chart here. So I clicked on the Apple app, it brought it up here, and I will go full screen. Blammo. Let's go blammo time. Come on, Big Daddy. Oh my God, it used to be up. Look where it used to be. When was this? I don't even know what year that is. How do you freaking tell what year that is? Oh, yeah, it's on the bottom. Oh my God, I wasn't betting. July was it 113? Come on back, Big Daddy. I'll take 113 right now and dump it and buy Bitcoin. You can see the volume. See, yeah. So people are buying it. Volume went up. Green volume, good. Yeah, so you can look at anything on these Yahoo charts or the Coinbase Pro. Yeah, all right, that's it. I'm going to get out of here. Take the dog out for a walk. And I hope this audio sounds good. I'm going to let it gel on, YouTube. And it goes over to Rumble as well in probably a few days. But I got to make sure the audio comes out because I'm still tweaking it with it on the MacBook. Again, the MacBook is a 2017 model. And I have abused the hell out of it like a rented mule. Oh my God. I'm going to get my money's worth out of it. But as backup, I got all these rigs. I could put anything on it. Ubuntu Linux, Windows, whatever. And then I'll have my own workstation in Windows, which might be preferable. I don't know. Because most things seem to gel better. Yeah. All right, guys, go for it. Get outside. It's Saturday. Have fun. Don't spend too much on Christmas gifts. So buy experiences for people or dinners, like gift cards, and have dinner with them. I think that in the end goes a long way than buying people junk they don't need. But that's just me. Yeah, experiences over things. And I think that's the new mantra in this country because if you try to keep up with the Joneses or buy lots of stuff, you're always going to end up broke. So unless you get them a little trinket, but usually I find experiences, boat charter, go to the zoo, a nice dinner. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you recommend? Give them a discovery flight on an airplane, a small airplane, if they're not afraid of it. That's always fun. I'm trying to think what else is cool people like. Boat charters are fun. Yeah, that's about it. All right. I'm out of here, guys. Go for it. Thanks for watching. And let's keep an eye on this, man. 40K? I don't know. Yeah, or it could go to 30K. You just don't know. But it's entertainment. It's good. It's fun. All right, bye. Bum, 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 bum. Rocco, come here. Come here, doggy. Gotta get my dog. Hold on a sec. How do I do this? I actually can see the chat now. I'm so sorry. I can't. What is going on? I can't do anything with it. All right, saying I got perfect. Let me see if I can type something. I'm still playing with this crap, guys. Bear with me. Let's see. All right. Can I type? Yes. BTC. I can't type. Nice. Have did I go through? Yay! I typed something. Now what can I do here? If I hit 100, what does that do? Oh my God! I clicked on something. I got to figure this chat. Oh, it just logged me out. Shoot! Why did it log me out? There's a little chat window that pops up next to the OBS, and it just logged me out once I sent the message. No, once I clicked the heart button to send a little emoji. Anyway, I'll play with this later. All right, let's go for 40K. Well, I think if we break 40, I'll just make another stupid video because this is fun. It gives me beats watching